Hello, my dear students. I hope you are all doing good. Welcome to Geography class. We are doing Chapter 6 Asia, the largest continent. This is video number 2. Location and extent of Asia. Dear students, while I'm reading the text to you, please try to find out the name of the oceans which I am speaking. Try to find it out, please. Asia is surrounded on three sides by oceans: the Pacific from the east side, Arctic Ocean from the north side, and Indian Ocean from the south side. Next is, which features separate Asia from other continents? Please learn the name of those features and also try to find them on the map which is provided to you in your book, and also locate them on the map of Asia. First of all, let's separate the continent of Asia from Europe. So which features are those are there which separate these two continents? Europe, Ural Mountains, Caspian Sea, Caucasus Mountains, and Black Sea. Asia is linked with Africa through the Sinai Peninsula, and North America is separated from Asia through the Bering Strait. Heat zones. Asia is so large that it has 90 parallels of latitude. So it falls in each heat zone. Climate of Asia is very cold and dry in the north, to being very hot and wet in the south. I have shown all the heat zones on the picture. Please look at this picture. Frigid zone is shown in blue color, and frigid zone is located around the North Pole and around the South Pole. Temperate zone falls just below the frigid zone in both the hemispheres, and it is shown with yellow color. Next is torrid zone, which is just around the equator in both the hemispheres. So you must make this diagram in your notebook, and please mark and label all the three heat zones, that is frigid zone, temperate zone, and torrid zone. Torrid zone is also called tropical zone. Political divisions of Asia. There are 48 countries in Asia. Russia is the largest country, which lies both in Asia and Europe. The countries which lies in two continents, we call them transcontinental or intercontinental countries. Fall of the USSR. USSR stands for Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. Russia was part of former, or also called erstwhile, country called USSR. Its full form is Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. USSR was divided into 15 different countries in 1991. We call it fall of the USSR. Russia is the still largest country in the world and is called transcontinental or intercontinental country. because it is part of two continents, Europe and Asia. The name of the countries into which the USSR divided into are listed here. Pause the video and read the name of all the countries. Regions of Asia, East Asia. The countries of East Asia are China, Japan, Hong Kong, Macau, North Korea, South Korea, Mongolia and Taiwan. North Asia, Siberia and Russian Far East comes under North Asia. Both the provinces are part of the country of Russia. These two parts of Russia, namely Siberia and Russian Far East, comes in Asia. Other parts of Russia comes in the continent of Europe. Central Asia. So these countries lies in Central Asia. Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan and Turkmenistan. Sometimes we also include Afghanistan into this category. Next are the countries of Southeast Asia: Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Laos, Vietnam, the Philippines, Brunei, Indonesia, East Timor lies in this category. Next are the countries of South Asia: Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Last but not the least are the countries of West Asia: Turkey, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Iran, Syria, Iraq, Cyprus, Lebanon, Jordan, Israel, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Dubai, UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, Yemen. So these are the countries which lies in West Asia. Some disputed regions are also there, like there is a dispute going on between Israel and Palestine. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching.